I want to show this new makeup bag I got from Amazon. I'm going to be taking this on my cruise. So I'll go ahead. It's really cute, a little bit smaller than I thought. Comes with a bunch of dividers, and if these were a little bit thinner, I think it would make for some more room in the bag. So as you can see, my bag's pretty full. It's kind of sticking up there. So let's take a look at how I packed it. Okay, so it has kind of two zippers. So when you open it up, it looks like this. So again, I took a bunch of the dividers out. You can kind of design it however you want. This is how I felt I could fit the most. So up here on the lid, you have this nice little flap. Keep your brushes, and that way they stay clean. So I went ahead and put some brushes, put some, mascara and other stuff in here. Now there's a little zipper pocket. With the zipper pocket over here, I was able to fit this travel mirror, and then I put like a little palette in here, so a contour palette. So that's nice, stores kind of flat things. And you can't put too much in the lid, it gets kind of heavy. So the rest of the spot here, I had put some detangler spray, my dry shampoo, I slipped some nail polish, my finishing spray. And then over here, I was able to fit an eyeshadow palette, some eye makeup remover, some foundation, my moisturizer, hair clip. So again, I try to kind of pack bare minimum because I didn't want to pack too much. But again, this is what I have in here. In here, I have my 2 blushes, some primer, eyeshadow primer, 2 tiny eyeshadow palettes, just eyeshadows, and then an extra nail polish. So got it all jammed in here. So I'll let you guys know how it works out. Okay, so next up, for all the general toiletries, I went ahead and I bought this cool toiletry bag from Amazon. So again, it folds up and it has a clip, and it's gonna fit. But this is nice because on cruise ships, there's not a lot of counter space. So I did check, I kind of Googled my room online and saw that there was plenty of places, towel racks and racks over the toilet and stuff, that I would be able to hang this. So again, this just makes it nice so you can organize everything. You can clearly see it, get to stuff quickly. Sometimes I, in the past, have brought the over-the-door shoe organizers. That way you can shove all sorts of stuff. This time I'm opting against that. It's just me and my husband going. So again, this from Amazon has the lower compartment here, 1, 2 side-by-side ones, and then 3 at the top. So a lot of different storage here. So again, what I did is just kind of put, nail clippers, face cleaners, cotton balls, Q-tips. The next 2 pouches, I put my extra contacts, bite cream, stuff like that, Band-Aids. Then I put all of our medicines. So I made sure to take Tylenol, ibuprofen, Dramamine, lots of Tums, vitamin C, and then I think we have some Imodium back there too. So just want to be prepared. Next pouch, I put our toothbrushes, toothpaste, mouthwash, floss, so everything with teeth. And then the bottom, I just put all the extra stuff. So contact solution, shampoo, conditioners, some air fresheners, hairspray, and so on. So I think this will work out real nice, not too big. So that wraps up all of the toiletries. So this backpack has come in handy. We have brought it on so many vacations. It's actually kind of needing replaced, but I can't find it anymore online. So a lot of use. So this is an actual waterproof bag. So many of you have probably heard of wet bags. This is a wet bag, but styled as a backpack. So again, we have used this on like caving adventures and tubing and walking through rivers and waterfalls and so on. So again, it's very nice. Got this on Amazon, oh my gosh, 5-6 years ago maybe. But it's, again, situated as a backpack. The sides here are nice. So they have 2 zipper pockets. This one I put the bug spray in. And then the other pocket, I always keep my chapstick handy. Nice pockets here on the side for your water bottles, 1 on each side. Front pouch, not really waterproof, as there's some mesh at the bottom. But in here, I had just put, here, I'll show you real quick. I put some carabiners. You never know if you need to attach this to a kayak or something. So these are great for that. In the front pouch here, again, I just put a little towel. Put this little gadget I bought for my cell phone so I can put it around my neck when we're ziplining. I have a package of wet wipes from Dollar Tree. And I think that's it. So easily accessible. Now inside of the backpack, we take our snorkels and our face mask in this mesh bag. So it all fits nice in there. I have a wet bag where I have all of my first aid items. I'll put a separate video up for that later. So again, even, it's a wet bag inside a wet bag, but you can't be too cautious. You could always, if you need more room in the backpack, clip this to the outside, and the first aid kit's going to stay nice and dry. In the gallon Ziploc, I have all of our sun items. So I have After Sun Aloe. I actually have tanning oil. Then I have the sunscreens 50 and 70. And then in this little travel squishy bottle I bought, I have some After Sun lotion. So didn't want to take the whole bottle on that. So just consolidate. Again, since you're packing, you're traveling, just put everything in bags in case there is a leak. Now, if you want to see the inside of the backpack, again, waterproof. And then we just have, again, a big Ziploc bag with both of our pairs of water shoes. Let's take a look at what I have in my suitcase. So this little pouch here, I just put like a little collapsible bag in case I want to run to the pool or if we come back and have souvenirs or something. And then in this big compartment on top, I put all my swim stuff. So I have like 2 swim shirts and then a bunch of swimsuits. Because on a cruise, if you're swimming back-to-back days, your suit might not be dry by the next day. And you definitely don't want to put on an ice-cold swimsuit to get off the ship in. So definitely want to take at least 2 swimsuits with you. And then again, in the Caribbean, it does get hot. At the end of the day, you might want to get away from the sun. So a long-sleeve swim shirt is nice as well. Top lid of the suitcase, I have all of my underwear and socks. Up here, I have my sports bras, regular bras. So that's all in there. And then I like to use space cubes for packing. I did a separate video on that a while back. I can link that. So I have a hat here. Keep the sun out of your eyes. Have my wand, my straightener. Underneath that, I have 3 space bags. Or space cubes, packing cubes, sorry. So in this one, kind of funny, but I put my 2 formal dresses. They're just kind of like lacy dresses. They don't really wrinkle. So I have that. Love these bags. They have little handles. Now, again, when you get on the cruise ship, you want to make sure that you unpack everything. Store those suitcases underneath your bed or in the closet. That way they're out of the way. Oh, this I threw in last minute here. In my other space bag, or packing cube, sorry, I have all of my kind of workout type clothes and kind of excursion clothes. Just giving a quick insight kind of inside the packing cube. I like to roll my items, so I have a bunch of like exercise shirts, all of my exercise shorts, my yoga pants, an extra little shirt on top. So again, it really compacts everything down in there. You can pack a lot of items. And then in the biggest packing cube, kind of takes up half the suitcase there, I have the rest of my clothes. So I have my outfits for dinner time. I have 2 pairs of pants, 1 skirt, a bunch of tops. So just kind of put them all in there. And then again, those fit nicely. On this side, I have just the other random stuff. And so again, on top of that will go my makeup bag and the toiletry bag. So, and then again, it all fits right here in this nice 25-inch rolling suitcase. So you don't have to go crazy. You don't have to pack a giant suitcase. I got everything I needed to fit in here. Now, I think this was a sheet bag. I had bought like a new set of sheets or something. So I kept that and said, hey, that'd be nice. So again, you want to make sure you plan your outfits. You're not bringing too many shoes. I brought a pair of wedges for the formal nights, go with my dresses, a pair of flats that are a little bit more dressy, and then I have a pair of flip-flops, and then another pair of kind of flip-flops. So again, love this bag, puts it all in there, keeps the dirt from your shoes and everything off of everything in the bag, and then I'll be wearing my tennis shoes on the airplane. So in total, 1, 2, 3, 4 shoes, plus the tennis shoes I'm wearing, so not too bad. All right, I am bringing a cup a reusable cup. This is nice, you know, walk around the ship, keeps your drink cold. You know, at night I like to have some water by my bed, so you can fill this up, take it with you. Again, it's just nice because you can walk around the ship, keep your drinks cold. Put some fruit in there from the buffet, add some water, and you have a nice, refreshing drink. I do have a little bitty clutch I'm bringing, just for like the formal nights, just to throw my little sale and sign card, my phone in. And then here's my little kind of like cabin Ziploc bag, just random stuff that thought we might need for the cabin. So in that, I have a mesh laundry bag. So a lot of people bring like a pop-up bag. I just bring this mesh bag, and that's nice to put in the corner of the closet, put all of your dirty clothes in. I also have inside a bag of bags, so just a bunch of plastic like Walmart bags. Again, those come in handy throughout the trip. Maybe put muddy shoes in, stuff like that. Also inside, if you can see here, I have a, not a power strip, but whatever. It makes multiple plugs. So typically in your stateroom, you only have about 2 plugs. Well, that makes it difficult if 2 people are charging their phone and you want to use a curling iron or whatever. So definitely want to bring a power strip or something. I am bringing 2 magnets. So most cruise ships, the walls, the doors are magnetic. So again, we like to just put those magnets up. I don't know if you can see them on the wall. You can usually get like a 4-pack or something on Amazon or at Walmart. But again, it just comes in handy. You can hang your bags up on it, your hats, your stuff like that. You just want to, again, keep your room clutter-free. Inside as well, I do have 2 clips. These can be used to hang swimsuits in the room. They can also be used as towel clips by the pool. So again, on a cruise ship, things can get a little bit windy. So you want to make sure that you're clipping your towels down. So I brought a white one, blue one. Again, I got a 4-pack of those from Dollar Tree. And again, if you think about it, it helps you spot your towels. So amongst the thousands of chairs out there, everyone has the same cruise ship towel. So this will help you identify your chair. Last couple items, we played bingo last time, so I just brought our bingo markers again. I did bring a highlighter. With the highlighter, you're going to get your paper itinerary each and every day. So you can highlight the activities that you think are fun. Now, a lot of cruise ships are moving in the direction of electronic, like you have an app for the cruise, and then you can see the itinerary each day, mark stuff. There's chat rooms, instant messenger, stuff like that. Unfortunately, the Royal Caribbean ship we're on this time does not have that app yet. So we'll still need that highlighter so we can highlight that itinerary. Finally, I also brought a Ziploc bag full of drink packets. So this is one of my favorite tips. Again, if you're not paying for a drink package, you'll be drinking a lot of tea, lemonade, and water, and then some juices in the morning. So I just like to flavor that water. So I got a multi-pack of those. And then I think basically I have inside of the bag a bag full of Ziploc bags. So that comes in handy a lot. You can put snacks in it, waterproof your phone, all that good stuff in there. Just a quick view again of the items I packed in my little gallon bag of items for the room. The item here is just my carry-on bag. So again, just a shoulder bag here, pretty small. So I really wanted it to be organized. So in this front pouch, couple items here. So I have my iPad slipped in there. Then I have this little pouch I got at Dollar Tree that has our sign and sale card, our excursion tickets, so important papers printed out in that. And then next to that is this little clutch I had bought. Now, every time I travel, I feel like my cards get compromised. So this time I wanted to make sure I had a wallet that protected from those scanners where people can steal your information. So I bought this little clutch. It's got a little hand strap as well. So I figured, this would be nice and easy to carry around the cruise and go to dinner, stuff like that. So in here, nice spot to put your ID, your credit card, your insurance, your money, your passport. So I have my passport, birth certificates, all the travel documents you need. Again, this pouch prevents the scanners. So again, really cool. Just bought this on Amazon. So again, after the trip, I'll let you guys know how it was. The only other item in the front pouch is just a little travel pack of moist wipes. So again, if you want to kind of keep things clean, wipe down those arms, the trays, and the airplane. So again, that's all here in that front pouch. Now inside of the bag, okay, so kind of a mess in here, but I'm still debating if I want to take this giant travel pillow. So it's a camping pillow that I have for backpacking. It's pretty nice. It's full of foam, but it's just kind of big for taking on the plane. So our flight back is kind of through the night. So my thought was I could use that, but still debating if I want to take it. Then I have just a bag of snacks. I have headphones. I have my little bag. Just to go through airport security. It's not even all liquids, but I just kind of put it all in there so I don't have to worry about it. And then, ooh, I bought this, which is fun. So it's to keep all the electronics organized. So, again, this was like $5 or $6 on Amazon. The whole point is just I like stuff compartmentalized. So in Ziploc bags, in places, so everything's clean and organized. Haven't put everything in it yet, but I do have my splitter here, so both of us can watch the iPad same time. Have my headphones, and then I have the iPad charger. I'll be putting my phone charger and my husband's phone charger in there as well. So again, just a really nice little baggie that I found on Amazon to keep those electronics nice and organized so things aren't flying all over your bag. Final thing in here is just my jewelry. So this is a super cute, I believe it's Lauren Conrad. I think I got it at Kohl's. So this has all my jewelry in it. But again, I didn't want to check it in my bag. I'm not taking any like jewelry that's worth anything, just costume jewelry. But again, really nice case. You can keep your earrings and bracelets. There's a little pouch right here. And then I have earrings and some bracelets. This is the fun part too. Whoops. It's got a little holder for, It's got a little holder for earrings, for your rings. So again, not taking too much stuff here. But just a fun little case. Keeps everything compact for your trip.